Mom, did you want me to clean out the fridge while you cook?
No. Leave it. I cleaned it up the other day. Taste the soup. What do you think?
It's fine.
Is that all?
What do you want me to say? Every time I come over, you're making me stew. It's getting ridiculous.
I didn't ask you to come over.
You never asked me.
How about you make yourself useful and grab some carrots from the fridge? Because she wants to after my daughter.
Mom, these carrots in the fridge have gone bad.
That's not possible.
Can I throw them out?
No, you can't throw them out. They stay in the fridge. You know that.
They're growing mold.
Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll scrape it off. Don't worry about it.
Mom, we talked about this.
No, you came in and tried to change everything. And no, you did not.
I'm trying to help you. I know it's been hard being alone in this house.
I'm coping.
Is that how you're coping? Does it even matter to you how I feel? Or is it all about Kelsey again?
Your coming here was a mistake. You need to leave.
Mom's here, right today? Let's see what Grandma made. If you had teeth, you'd love this. Kelsey, is that you?
Oh, honey, it is so wonderful to see you. And look at this face. You have not aged a day. Oh, Kenji! Look at little Kenji. Oh, sweetheart. Oh, so sweet. Oh my gosh. I cannot tell you how happy I am to see you. I'm over the moon. He is growing so fast.
Yeah, he's almost outgrown those fleas you made for him.
I know, I'm going to have to make some more for him because I do not want him to catch cold. Heaven forbid. Oh,
No one cares for us like you do, Mom.
well, that's what I'm here for.
Can I help you with the schoolwork right now?
Oh, yeah. Well, you know what? Could you make some more carrots? Because always. Kelsey, did you find your carrots?
I did.
Okay.
See what you can say about them.
These carrots aren't perfect. I'm just so happy that you and Benjamin could join me for dinner. Okay, do you remember when you were little and we used to get the carrots out of the garden?
And I gnawed them like a rabbit.
Yeah. This is how I all of us If I'm sure. Well, I'm here now, right? You're here now. Okay, that was good stuff. Yeah, this is good stuff. Nothing but the mastermind girl. Oh my gosh. You know what? What? You think you can make some of your homemade applesauce? I'm gonna love it. Oh, I'd be happy to do that. Hang on just a second. Let me check the slices. Take it back. You know, I don't have any cinnamon, darn it. Oh, not today. I put it in there. Oh, no, there's no need for you to do that. No, really, it's fine. With all those drunk drivers out on the road, I think it's better to stay here. It'll be just a quick trip. Plus, Benjamin always tells us. No, I said stay here. So, I think I should feed him. I haven't seen my grandson for so long. It's okay. It's a big age. Yeah. And there is nothing. And your mom safe. Oh, what's that? You want to stay with me forever? Oh, sweet. Well, I have a room all set up for you with toys and baby dolls and teddy bears. Everything your child can have. The stew's done. Oh, wow. I must have lost track of time. Should I send a place for Beth? No, your sister is not welcome here. Besides, she thinks I prefer your company over hers.
Well, not to brag, but I am a much better fiddle player than she is. True. Why don't you call her over? Maybe we can work it out.
Because your sister is trouble and I do not want any more trouble in my house. She's still your daughter. I know that. I have some wine in the cellar that would be like an even better pairing, so I'm just.
I know what you're thinking. My mom's a little out there, right? Not me. But I can't really blame her. It's probably from all that hairspray she inhaled as a child. And then put it in her babies. Yeah. There's this little picture she used to have of me when I was a kid. And I was sitting in my mom's lap and she was dangling her hair over mine like a wig. And she put two little twigs in my hands and I started drumming. Or so she says. I think I could have been in an all-baby Metallica cover band. What do you think, Benji? Well, maybe I'll leave the room that too. My mom loves that picture. It's the one she holds close to her chest when she's halfway through a bottle. By the time she gets to the bottom, her vision blurs just enough so that she sees my smile. Like I said, I don't blame her. She's always cared just a little too much, to a fault even. She's the kind of woman who makes you a pot of stew from scratch when you visit for the holidays. She's the kind of woman who will ask you to go to the grocery store to get some carrots because it just wouldn't be special without it. She's the kind of woman who would keep her fridge stocked with carrots for the rest of her life, even when you don't want to get back home.
Hey, this one will hit the spot for sure.
Mom, do you ever notice that when we drink, I don't even get quiet?
What are you talking about? That's absurd. Your glasses. Right.
And Benjamin never cries.
Well, he's a really well-behaved baby is all.
Can't keep this up.
What?
We eat the same stew every night and drink your wine and pretend that you never asked me to pick up carrots from the grocery store and you pretend that we're this loving family and
We are.
we are.
No, don't do this. You always do this.
That's not going to help you. Not this time.
Honey, I just miss seeing you. You know, I want everybody to be together the way it used to be. I want everybody together.
I'm going to run to the store. Right with parents.
Please don't go. You don't have to go, Kelsey. Listen to me. You can't go.
I promise I'll be out of your hair in a second. I forgot my first. Oh, Mom.
I told her to go. She took this beautiful boy in the backseat of her car and went out because I told her to go. Now she only comes back when the bottles are empty.
This isn't going to fix things, Mom. You can't bring them back. You know that. And this doll isn't Benjamin. And Kelsey isn't coming over for dinner.
But I got it right this time. The fridge is full of carrots and she doesn't have to go.
I know this is hard for you to accept. It's hard for me too, but he died in that car accident. And I'm not asking you to forget him. But I need you to try to move past this. I can't do this alone.
Okay. Yeah. I can try. I think I owe you at least that.
That's all I ask.
I love you, sweetheart.
Maybe I'll listen to you.
Listen, I'm sorry.